Monese account opening. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can open an account on the Monese app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to open an account on the Monese mobile money account, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Monese application here. Once you launch the Monese app, if you already have an account, by the way, you can directly tap the login option here in order to log in to your of this Monese account here. But if you don't have an account, you can directly tap the get started option here as well. You can allow the app to access your location, and then from here on just make sure to enter the email address that you would like to use, and then again you have to make sure to select where you live. So go ahead and then make sure to select the name of the country where you live over here as well. So let me go ahead and then do that too. Once done, you can enter an invite code as well, and you can agree to the terms and conditions and then tap on the get started option. It will ask you to create a passcode, so make sure to go ahead and create a passcode here as well. So let me also go ahead and then do that as well. Once you have done that, it will ask you to verify your email address. So we're going to wait until we receive any sort of email addresses from the Monese app over here, and as you can see it says please confirm your email address. So tap the confirm my email option over here. It will just open it up in a new page, which is the Monese online banking here, and here you can see it will ask you to verify the I'm not a robot captcha. Once you have done that, again it will open up in the app. So now again you can go ahead and then re-enter your passcode here. Once you re-enter your passcode, it will ask you to simply enter your phone number depending upon the country that you live in. So you can also go ahead and then make sure to create and log into your phone number here as well. So I will also go ahead and then search for my phone number here. Once you enter your phone number, just tap the verify number option and then just tap on the yes that's right option, and it is going to send a verification code to this phone number as well. So just go ahead and then wait until you get any sort of verification code, and once done you can go ahead and then add an address, or you can add an address manually here as well. So once you tap on the add address manually option, select your country if you'd like that, or you can just go ahead and select the country that you live in this case. Once done, you can simply enter the postcode, tap on the next option, and then finish signing up for your Monese account. This way you will be able to actually open an account on Monese app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.